Hello, and welcome to this short presentation on academic speaking tests. Before I begin, there is a worksheet that accompanies this video, so pause this slide now and download it. The link is in the description below. Also, I suggest downloading the speaking marking criteria. This can be found through this Cambridge English link, and again, the link is in the description below. Okay, so let's begin. So what are academic speaking tests? These are tests on academic English courses to test a student's level of speaking. The most common tests are presentations and seminars. But quite often for lower level students, a general academic speaking test is often used. This particular test is similar to the Cambridge B2 First or FCE speaking exam, but it follows a university-based narrative. These tests are designed for lower level students around A2, B1, B2 level to provide valuable speaking practice around the social English aspect of university life and study. The purpose of this speaking test is to help students be able to speak more fluently and confidently around familiar topics. The test takes around 20 minutes and it is for 2 to 3 students. And the test is divided into 4 sections. So let's go through the 4 sections now. Section 1 is a general speaking activity. It focuses on 2 specific areas of general and university life. This is an individual activity and each student is asked a number of questions over 2 minutes. Students should answer the questions and show development using examples. Section 2. Section 2 is a photograph comparison activity. It focuses on comparing and contrasting 2 photographs and answering a specific question. Students should describe each photograph using comparison and contrast language and answer the question all within 2 minutes. Section 3. Section 3 is a task-based activity. It focuses on discussing a range of ideas and collectively choosing the best one or one. Students work together and spend 4 to 5 minutes discussing the choices and evaluating their effectiveness. They then collectively decide which one or ones would be more appropriate and why. Section 4. Section 4 is an opinion-based activity. It focuses on answering a range of opinion-based questions around the topic of Section 3. Students answer the questions individually, presenting their opinion and developing their answers with clear examples. Okay, now we are going to do a speaking test. You will need a stopwatch and paper and pen to make notes. So perhaps pause this slide and get prepared. I'll read each section and what you need to do. I'll clearly state the timing and you set a stopwatch and do the activity. Section 1. You have 2 minutes to answer some of these questions. Remember to develop your answers and add examples where possible. Set your stopwatch for 2 minutes and begin. Section 2. Student A, look at the 2 photographs below. Compare and contrast the photos and state how collaborative work can strengthen understanding and learning. You have 2 minutes for this section. Set your stopwatch for 2 minutes and begin. Student B, look at the 2 photographs below. Compare and contrast the photos and state which one would be a better environment to learn in. You have 2 minutes for this section. Set your stopwatch for 2 minutes and begin. Section 3. Work in twos or threes to discuss something together. Imagine that the university library has received a £50,000 funding grant that they can spend on improving the library. Look at the infographic below and decide collectively on what would be the best improvement or improvements and why. You have 2 minutes preparation time. You can write notes if you want to. Set your stopwatch for 2 minutes and prepare. Okay, now you have 4 minutes to discuss the infographic. Discuss each idea in detail and try to collectively decide which would be the best. Set your stopwatch for 4 minutes and begin. Section 4. Follow-up questions to Section 3. Section 4 is an opinion-based activity. Here are a range of opinion-based questions around the topic of Section 3. Answer the questions individually, presenting your opinion and developing your answers with clear examples. Set your stopwatch for 4 minutes and begin. Okay, that's the end of the test. Have a look at the marking criteria and see where you think you would be in each section. Pause this slide and grade yourself. Well, that's the end of the video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was a brief overview of a general academic English speaking test, and if you'd like more tests, then you can go to our webpage here at Academic English UK/academic speaking tests. Of course, for more information on all areas of academic speaking, then please go here to Academic English UK/speaking. Until next time, thanks for watching. Goodbye.